Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to remove the background of an image using the Apple Preview app in iOS 26 on your iPhone and iPad. With iOS 26, Apple has introduced the Preview app on iPhone and iPad, making image editing easier than ever before. If you are a Mac user, you already know how robust this app has long been. One of the standout features of the Preview app for iOS is the ability to remove the background from an image with just a few taps. So whether you are creating content, designing memes, or simply want a cleaner photo, this feature is for you. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch the Apple Preview app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to tap on the Browse tab located at the bottom. And then you have to head over to the folder where you have saved an image. And then you have to open the image in question. After that, you have to tap on the triple dot icon located at the top and choose the Remove Background option in the menu, and that's about it. Alternatively, you can just long press on an image and choose the Quick Actions option in the contextual menu. Finally, choose the Remove Background option in the menu, and that's pretty much it. Removing the background of an image using the Apple Preview app in iOS 26 is quick, accurate, and incredibly convenient. So whether you are working on social media posts, school projects, or creative edits, this built-in tool saves time and delivers great results. So explore it with different images and see how effortlessly you can transform your photos all right from your iPhone or iPad. And I'll catch you up in the next one.